In this lesson, we're going to review equivalent fractions. So if we have a problem like this one that says, find the missing value of the equivalent fraction. So we have question mark over 3 equals 6 over 9. So one way to do this is to use a number line. So this is a number line that is cut up into 9 parts. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this is 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, and so on till we hit 1. So the first thing to do is find the point 6 on the ninths number line because we're looking for 6/9 or 6 over 9. And we see it here. So that's it. So we found it. So now we can put in a number line that is cut up into thirds. So we can see the denominator here is a 3. So that means here, this number line is cut up into thirds. This is something thirds, okay? So the next step, line up the 6 point on the thirds number line. So you would line this up, and it's right here. So there's the point. It's on the thirds number line, and the number that coincides with it is 2/3. So that means the missing value is 2. So 2/3 equals 6/9. These fractions are equivalent. 2/3 and 6/9 are equivalent fractions. And that's the end of that lesson. And this is just a review for level 6, grade 6. And if you feel you need more, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are related to this topic. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll have this exact lesson in there, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's an actual link you could click on in the ebook, and it'll take you to this lesson. Please remember to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.